Hello YouTube friends, thank you for dropping by. Today I'm gonna do an experimentation. This kind of thing is, I saw it very popular on fruit hacks. They said that this kind of thing can preserve your fruits, especially the strawberry, longer in your fridge. So I followed the instructions. It said I gonna soak the strawberry in the water with some white vinegar on it to preserve longer. So here we go. I gonna tell you what's the result of what I've done. So here it is. I mixed 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar into 2 cups of tap water. I mixed it all together, then rinse my strawberry off, and then I soaked it. I soaked my strawberry in the mixture of white distilled vinegar plus the water and leave it for a few minutes before I rinse it. And as you can see in this video, you really see that the strawberry is really clean. You can see all the dirt go in the mixture of white vinegar and the water. And yes, it's true, it can stay in your fridge for a long time, maybe more than a week, without getting rotten or rotted. It still stay as it is, but when you taste the strawberry the first time or right after you wash it with vinegar and water, the taste of the strawberry change. When its normal taste is sweet, it gonna be less sweeter, so the taste become lesser sweet, and it's not good for me. So I'd rather choose to wash it with plain water and eat my strawberry as having a natural taste. And after a few weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, I checked some of the leftovers in the fridge, and yes, it's not moldy, it's not rotten, but the skin is super dry. So I'd rather, once again, keep my strawberry as it is, just wash it with plain water and eat it so that the sweetness will remain on the strawberry. And just in case you cannot finish your strawberry, I advise you to just put it in the freezer so that you can mix it up and use it for later, like in making your smoothie. So it's all up to you guys. That's the result of my experimentation. So my choice is to just simply wash my strawberry with plain water and eat it so that the sweetness of the fruit will remain. Thank you so much for watching.